Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that's Akifa's Commerce Classes. So the topic for today's session is about classification of business activities. Now business is broadly classified into two categories. The first one is the industries and the second one is commerce. So in today's session we are going to discuss only about industries, and in the subsequent session we shall discuss about commerce. So let's start. So the industries are further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary industries. So let us understand what is an industry. So an industry refers to all those activities which are involved in production and processing of goods and services. So in simple words, what is an industry? An industry is a place where there is a conversion of raw materials or semi-finished goods into the final product. So in industry what happens is the raw materials or the semi-finished goods are converted into the final product. So this is the basic work that is being done in an industry. Now moving forward, as I said, industry is divided into primary, secondary and tertiary. So let's start with primary industry. So what is a primary industry? So primary industry is those industries in which there are activities which involve extraction, producing or processing of natural resources. Okay, so this is the basic work in the primary industry. Now the primary industries are further bifurcated into two types of industries. First is the extractive industry and the second is the generic industry. So let's start with extractive industries. So what are extractive industries? Extractive industries are those industries whose activities are to basically extract minerals from the sea, earth and the air, such as mining, forest and farming. Now the products which are produced in this industry, they are used for direct consumption. Examples of this could be food grains or fruits, vegetables and so on. And also the products which are produced in this industries can be used as raw materials. For example, it can be used as cotton or sugarcane and so on. So this was about extractive industries. Moving forward to the generic industries. So generic industries are those industries which includes activities such as breeding and rearing of animals, birds and growing of plants. Okay, so the reproduction and multiplication is the main activity of these industries, such as the animal husbandry, the poultry and the dairies. And the main products of these industries could be example cheese, meat, eggs, butter and so on. So moving forward to the secondary industries. Now what is a secondary industry? A secondary industry is an industry which makes use of products from the primary industry as they are raw materials. So secondary industry, what they do is, for the purpose of production, what they do is they use the products of the primary industry as raw materials. So this is about secondary industry. Now the secondary industry is further classified into two categories. First is the manufacturing industry and second is the construction industries. Now what is a manufacturing industry? A manufacturing industry is an industry which includes all those activities which are required in processing raw materials or semi-finished goods into finished goods. An example of this could be cotton. Cotton is used to produce textiles. Another example could be that timber is used to produce furniture and so on. So all this comes under manufacturing industries. Next, let's move forward to the construction industries. So what are construction industries? These construction industries are those industries which make use of products of other industries and they kind of construct different structures as per the requirements of the customers. And those industries which are engaged in erection of buildings, plants, dams and roadways come under the construction industry. So this is the basic work which is done under construction industries. So in simple, secondary industry is classified into two, the manufacturing and the construction industry. So let's start with the third industry, that is the tertiary industry. Now students, you have to remember that this third industry or the tertiary industry is also known as a service industry. Now why is it known as a service industry? It is known as a service industry because it concentrates more on production of services rather than the production of end products. It means that this service sector or the tertiary sector, what they do is they are more concentrated into marketing the goods which are produced by the first two industries, that is the primary industry and the secondary industry. So in order to make you all understand this concept more easily, I will give you all examples. Okay, so let's start with the first example. For example, there is a farmer, okay, he grows crops of food grains. Now he wants to transport this to the, for example, to the next city. So what he requires here is transport system. So transport system is also a part of the service sector. Second example could be if there is a new industry which has been started. Okay, now this industry requires machineries, and in order to buy machines it requires capital or maybe money. So now this finance requirement is completed by the banks. So the bank is assisting these industries to buy new machines. Now whatever finance is given by these banks, it also comes under the service sector. Next example could be restaurants. Okay, so restaurants, when we go to a restaurant we have meals, so this also comes under service. Next example could be educational institutions. So education institutions, they impart knowledge to the students, they impart education. So a teacher teaching in a school is also a service. So all these things come under the service sector. Therefore the tertiary sector is rightly said as the service sector, because here the more concentration is emphasized on providing services. So this was in brief about the three different types of industries. So first I started with explaining the concept of industries. Then I said that the industries are bifurcated into three types. First one is primary, secondary and tertiary. The primary industry was further bifurcated into two types, the extractive and the generic. Then I explained about the secondary industries. The secondary industries were bifurcated into two categories, the construction and the manufacturing, and the last one was the tertiary sector, which is also known as the service sector. So this was all for today, and in the next session we'll start with the commerce. So I hope that you all have understood whatever I have explained today. If there are any queries or any doubts and even feedbacks and suggestions, please put it down in the comment section. Thank you.